Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is just an update about the blade skin. So what I managed to do, I managed to change the font to the original blade skin font from the Xbox 360 era. And one of the thing I noticed that certain element I'm gonna have to actually change up to get the font to display. I already made the changes in here. Alongside here, I have to change the element that displays the IP address because normally it wouldn't show. There are certain elements that I still have to go through. For example, if I go into the module, you can see there's no text string for these plugins. So I would have to go into the skin element and pick a list element that will allow the original font to actually display. And you can see the cover layout. Nothing is being displayed also. And let's see what. So yeah, so there are a few parts that I have to go through, like filter. Nothing is shown here. I have to change whatever list element so that font can actually be picked up. The other update that I did, where the disk indicator shows whether disk 1 and disk 2 or disk 3, decided to leave it there. One of the reason is whenever time I insert a disk into the console itself, I want it to show right there. So now I'm putting a disk in, and you'll see it's reading the disk. And the cover art for the game that's inserted will go right there. So I think that worked out just fine to have it right there. And then yeah, you can also pull X to launch that game. So I think I'm gonna leave this indicator right there because it goes well hand in hand with that. I think that's the update for now. Stay tuned as I continue to finish up this skin and get it up and going. Still a few bugs to work out. One thing I'm working on right now is the detail for each game. So if I go on Battlefield 2, when I press Y to bring up detail, you can see that it doesn't go on the game that selected. You have to press either the right or left trigger to actually go on that game. I don't know what's causing that. I'm going to have to really do some really deep, I would say, go through all the files and see what's causing that. Why it's not selecting on the game, showing the game that you're selected on. But otherwise from that, like if you go in, like you can see title updates or whatever that there are any DLC. You can see, well, there's no text showing, so you have to go into that file also, which is a separate file from this to allow the font to show. So it's a lot of work, but it'll get done. Yeah, and this section, it won't close. But I press B, it won't close. So that's one of the bugs that I have to work on. Yeah, but for here, like you can look at the DLC on show, and if there's a title update, like that actually works. You can title updates, and you can still download title updates. And yes, you can still launch the game from this menu, but it won't exit the menu and it won't show the current game that you're on. So yeah, so that's the update so far regarding this skin. And yeah, just stay tuned and I'll be posting more. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave your comments and suggestions, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay.